Hi, Aman ko. Hi, Mr. Gray. Hi, B. Shall we, guys? Shall we? Hi, Aryan. Hi, Double. Hi, Rick. Thank you for the like, Rick. Morning sa'yo. Oh, it's afternoon. Hi, Kabit. Hi, Aryan. Good morning sa'yo. Hi, Hans. Hi, Jose. Follow back kita. Hi, Pasaway. Mr. Proggy. Hi, James. Shall we, guys? Help me kota, guys. Hi, Denki. Shall we, Denki? Hi, good luck. Hi, Ken Ken. Hi, Property. Hello, Fel. Shall we, Fel? Hi. I don't know what is your name? In check. In check. Hi, Mr. Mon. Hi, Second. Hi, Aloysio. Hi, Ken. Hi, Ken. How are you, Ken? Hi, R. Hi, Rogelio. Hello, guys. Oh, I'm not. It's good. I'm good. How about you? Oh, thank you, Second. Oh, nice country. Hi, Ryan. Hi, Maki. Guys, help me. Kota. Now na. Now na. Ano yan? Si Starla. Starla? Sino yun? Hi, Keltal. Hi, Luke. Hi, old guy. Hi, Noe. Oh, sure, Luke. Then followed Luke. Okay, thank you. You're welcome. My pleasure, guys. Guys, help me, Kota. Hi, Funer. Shall we, Funer? Hi, Eagle. Shall we, Eagle? Hi, Pakpak. Shall we? Hi, guys. Hi, Tongs. Hi, Mints. Hi, Mints. Hi, Mans. I think hi, Mints. Nilipad ako. Hi, Manyan. Shall we, Manyan? Hi, Nawi. Hi, Kisame. Thank you for joining again. Hi, Tetsuya. Hi, AMB Ambon. Ambon? Amban? Ano name mo? Hi, Kenji. Shall we, Kenji? Hi, Kaitan. Hi. What is your name? Amban? Ambon?